Drawing a mixer truck. Let's start drawing with round and round wheels. Then the outline. Steering wheel to ride the truck. Ooh, and the main part, the mixer. A few stripes. Are you ready to paint? Black for the steering wheel and glittery light blue for the window. Up next is yellow. Some more glitter. Shiny, shiny. Pink. Yellow. Black. Green. Orange. Red. Yellow. Purple. Green again. Aha! The colorful mixer truck is done. Time to get to the construction site, friends.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.